Hello. So quite well timed. I've been looking for one of these Suzuki's GSXRs for some time. They're extremely difficult to get your hands on. So especially the 750. Anyway, I managed to pick this one up about a month and a half ago. So I'm getting new ideas about how to ride it, etc. And Calne Bike Meet turned up. So I thought I'd take a run out there. It'd be a decent ride. But it's in the Cotswolds, close to, so not too far out my area. So I'm just going to take this for a gentle spin, open it up occasionally, see what it can do, and have a look around the Calne Bike Meet. Come and join me. So apparently the Calne Bike Meet began back in 2000 as a casual small gathering of some keen motorcyclists, and it's grown up to be one of Europe's largest free motorcycle events from its humble beginnings. And how thirsty you are. All right, okay. Where are we going? Well, as always, thank you for watching, and let's take the boat for a spin on the side and come along and join me.